How to log into Danske Bank. Hey guys, today I'll show you guys how to log into your Danske Bank account. First thing first, open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for Danske Bank login. Click on the first link you see, danskebank.com. It'll be taken directly to the official website of the bank. Click on this option called Log On at the top right corner of your screen. Now select the country you're from, so I'll just select Denmark for now. And for your personal e-banking, select your country. As you can see, everything right here is in Danish, so I'm just going to change it back to English. So I'll just click on Login to Online Bank. Once you click on it, you'll be taken directly to the login portal. Just wait for a bit and it will load up. And once the login portal loads up, you can enter your login details here. So the first thing you're going to have to do is enter your ID. Since I've chosen Denmark, everything here is in Danish. So just enter the ID for your account. Click on continue. If you've forgotten your ID, you can click here. And then from here, if you click on next, you can enter your password as well. So that's how you basically log into your Danske Bank online. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.